In late 2025, Microsoft quietly introduced Agent Lightning, an open-source framework that's already making waves in the AI community. This tool is designed to train and optimize AI agents, making it easier than ever for developers to enhance their systems without major code overhauls. Imagine a world where your AI agents not only follow instructions but also learn and adapt over time. That's the promise of Agent Lightning, a solution many have been waiting for, and one that could change the way we build intelligent systems. At its core, Agent Lightning acts as a trainer for AI agents. Think of it as a personal coach and gym membership for your digital assistants. You simply connect it to your existing setup, and it starts helping your agents improve automatically. It learns from their runs, prompts, and even their mistakes. The beauty is that it works with almost any framework: LangChain, OpenAI's agent, SDK, AutoGen, Microsoft's own tools, or even a basic Python script. There's no need to rewrite your code or start from scratch. Developers are buzzing about Agent Lightning for several reasons. First, it requires almost no code changes, just drop it in and go. Second, it's compatible with virtually any agent framework, making it flexible for different teams and projects. Third, it can optimize one or many agents, which is perfect for both solo developers and teams working on complex multi-agent systems. Finally, it comes with built-in algorithms like reinforcement learning, automatic prompt optimization, and supervised fine-tuning, all ready to use out of the box. The real breakthrough with Agent Lightning is that your AI agents can now learn from experience, not just follow static instructions. This means they can adapt to new situations, improve their performance, and become more effective over time. It's a significant step forward from traditional systems, where agents are limited to what they were initially programmed to do. With Agent Lightning, the future of adaptive, intelligent agents is here. Let's see how Agent Lightning fits into your workflow. Suppose you have a simple summarizer agent that interacts with a large language model. Normally, your code just takes input and returns a summary. With Agent Lightning, you add a couple of helper lines to emit events for prompts and responses. Then, you initialize a Lightning trainer and let it monitor your agent's actions. The trainer collects data and starts optimizing your agent's prompts and policies, all without complicated setup or retraining. One of the best features of Agent Lightning is its simplicity. There's no need for complicated setup or lengthy retraining processes. Once you've added it to your project, it silently observes and learns, making your agents better over time. This hands-off approach means you can focus on building features, while Agent Lightning handles the optimization in the background. Here's a simple breakdown of Agent Lightning's mechanism. You run your agents as usual, and Agent Lightning captures every prompt, output, and tool call as events. These events are stored in a central Lightning store. The built-in algorithms like reinforcement learning or automatic prompt optimization analyze these events to determine what can be improved. The trainer then applies updates, creating a continuous improvement loop. It's modular, clean, and flexible, allowing you to even develop your own algorithms if you wish. Agent Lightning's modular design means you can pick and choose which parts to use. Whether you want to stick with the built-in algorithms or develop your own, the framework is flexible enough to accommodate your needs. This adaptability makes it suitable for a wide range of projects, from simple scripts to complex multi-agent systems. Getting started with Agent Lightning is straightforward. If you're using Linux, Ubuntu 22.04 or newer, and have Python 3.1 or later, you're ready to go. A GPU is optional, only needed if you plan to fine-tune models. This low barrier to entry means more developers can experiment and benefit from the framework without worrying about complex hardware or software requirements. Installing Agent Lightning is as simple as running a pip command. Just type pip install, upgrade Agent Lightning, and you're set. For those who want the latest features, nightly builds are available, though they may be less stable. You can also install specific modules for automatic prompt optimization or reinforcement learning, making it easy to tailor the setup to your needs. For developers who want to dive deeper, Agent Lightning supports advanced setups. You can clone the source code, use UV for faster and safer dependency management, and activate your environment for development. Microsoft recommends using UV instead of pip for better performance. Before contributing code, you can run pre-commit checks to ensure quality. This developer-friendly approach encourages contributions and experimentation. One standout feature is Automatic Prompt Optimization, APO. With a simple installation command, you can enable APO and let Agent Lightning automatically refine the prompts your agents use. This leads to better performance and more accurate results, all without manual intervention. Keeping your OpenAI SDK up to date ensures compatibility and smooth operation. Agent Lightning also supports reinforcement learning, VERL. By installing the relevant module, you can enable your agents to learn from feedback and improve their decision-making over time. This is especially useful for complex tasks where agents need to adapt to changing environments or user needs. The framework's flexibility means you can combine APO, RL, and other techniques as needed. What sets Agent Lightning apart is its non-intrusive design. It doesn't try to replace your existing agent system. Instead, it quietly observes, learns, and improves alongside your current stack. This means you can start small, keep your existing workflows, and let Agent Lightning gradually enhance your agent's intelligence. Over time, this approach can distinguish agents that merely follow commands from those that truly adapt and grow. If Microsoft continues to execute on Agent Lightning's vision, it could become the new standard for training agent-based systems, much like PyTorch Lightning did for model training. By focusing on intelligent behaviors rather than just models, Agent Lightning opens the door to a new era of adaptive, self-improving AI agents. The open-source repo is available for anyone to explore and contribute, making it a community-driven project with huge potential.